Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find and how to access a permission manager in our Samsung S22 Ultra. So where to find it? We need to go to the settings, then we're looking for security and privacy. And here we have our permission manager. What does it do? Allow or deny apps to access features or data on your phone. Let's check it out. For example, what have our access to our camera? No apps are currently available. We only have a few that are allowed to use our camera while the application is running. For example, camera, of course, phone, messenger. And here are the applications that can use our camera but are not allowed at this moment. So let's revoke our camera access. Let's say the AR zone we don't allow it. Yes, do not allow. And now our AR zone is not allowed to use our camera ever until we allow it manually. That's all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.